Hi. So once again, this is Isabel. So this is my version of Love You First by One Direction. Okay, here we go. Boy, it should be me, rubbing to my house, knocking on my door and kissing you in the mouth, holding my hand, dancing in the dark, 'cause I was the only one who loved you from the start. But now when I see you with her, it is my world apart. Because I've been waiting all this time to finally say it. But now I see your heart been taken and nothing could be worse. Baby, I love you first and my chances could have been me. He is standing. That what hurts the most. Boy, it came so close, but now you'll never know. Oh, baby, I love you first. Boy, it should be me calling on my phone, saying I'm the only one and never let me go. I never wanted to see what love is really like, but I felt it for the first time looking in your eyes. But now when I see you with her, my whole world fall apart. I've been waiting all this time to finally say it, but now I see your heart's been taken and nothing could be worse. Baby, I love you first and my chances could have been where she is standing. Doesn't hurt the most. Boy, you came so close, but now you'll never know. Wow. Baby, I love you first. The first touch, the first kiss, first boy don't make me feel like this. Heartbreak, it's killing me. I love you first.